Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
The classes get over mostly after lunch. Either we have some club activities, we go for that. So that is individual specific. You go for club activities, or you go for like you take a nap, or some people also who are like constantly preparing or studying. So you get that motivation that you also have to do that.
The BRIC Summit, right? The Red Brick Summit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you guys participate in that, or it's for the outsiders of the world to come and see?
No, it's for everyone. If I describe myself, I would describe myself as a friendly person, as a person who is very considerate towards others.
Hi everyone, welcome Ankita on board to the Real Humans of B School.
Hi Rahul, thank you for having me here.
तो वो कपिल शर्मा भी हमेशा एक ही बात पूछता है कि तुमने कभी सोचा था कि तुम रियल ह्यूमंस ऑफ बी स्कूल पे आ पाओगे? तो तुमने कभी सोचा था क्या?
No, not really.
Not
But
really.
dream था कि at least होगा कहीं ना कहीं.
Okay, that's sweet. That's sweet. So, Ankita, let's get to the game. This is Real Humans of B School, where we're going to talk about the real you. You know, what are these kind of people who make it to IIM Ahmedabad? I'm from SPK in Bombay, so and IIM Ahmedabad का थोड़ा blood अलग होता है, तुम लोग like blue-eyed boys होते हो. So let me talk about and get to know you slightly better. पहली बात बताओ, you are still in first year, right? You've just completed your first year.
Yes. I've just completed my first year, so I'm doing my internship right now.
टाइम में मिलता है मतलब खाना वाना खाने का कि कोई टाइम में
नहीं मिलता है, मैनेज कर लेते हैं.
मैनेज कर लेते हैं. And how about the sleeping hours? Do you guys get the beauty sleep for 8 hours a day? How is it?
In Ahmedabad?
Yeah.
No, not really. So it's very fragmented. So we sleep sometime in afternoon and night half of the time. So it's like 5 to 6 hours. So 4 hours in the night and 2 hours in the afternoon, or something like that. We have to make ourselves.
And sometime in the classroom, if the professor doesn't do a cold call.
Yeah.
That's great. Tell me a typical day, how it looks like. Is it like the Two States movie actually? Is it like the Two States movie?
No, not really. Not like the Two States movie. So for the first year, actually the day starts at 8:45 sharp. So we need to reach the classrooms by 8:45, and if we are late, then we'll not be allowed to enter. So the doors are shut. And after the classes get over, mostly after lunch, either we have some club activities, we go for that. So that is individual specific. You go for club activities, or you go for like you take a nap or some time, and then you do your assignments. There are post reads, pre-reads.
Yeah.
So you do that. So that is what takes up our whole time, because there are projects, assignments every day, every week submissions are there. So yeah.
It's like you're in the grill, you know, you go there और कुछ ना कुछ चलता ही जा रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ चलता ही जा रहा है.
Yeah. Something or the other is always there.
Yeah. But you get time to like have your own world and your own thing, or it's like just catching this and then catching this and this catching this. How is it?
No, so it's like till your summer placements, you don't get time for that. You don't get time to do your own work, because the thing is, there are other people also who are like constantly preparing or studying. So you get that motivation that you also have to do that. So that is the case. But after your summer placements, you do get time to, like, since one thing is out of the picture now, you know you have got placed. So then you get at least 1.5 hour every day, so that you can devote to yourself. So that is there.
Guys, people are listening to it, so you know that you get 1.5 hours a day. Rest people are vela na, उनके पास time ही नहीं होता है. उनके पास time है नहीं time. जब तक 4-5 घंटे सो के उठे ना ये लोग, तो but you know 1.5 hours. That's lovely. What do people do at Ahmedabad normally in a day's time? They in that free time, or they chit chat, they go to one dorm to another dorm, or they go to the chai place.
Everything actually. So people sometimes they'll go to each other's room. So there's like in the dorm you like sit together, you enjoy, you talk to each other. You go for a walk, so and sometimes like in the tea post or everything, like the cafeteria which is there, so there you sit, you chat with your friends. And yeah, there's a chai place also, so there also in Rambhai also there people go there. So
They got a chai place, but it's called Ram Bhai, so they're not allowed to sell smoking cigarette inside the campus. So what he has done is, oh, क्या बताओ story बताओ थोड़ा क्या है?
yeah, so there's a wall outside the IIM Ahmedabad like institute. So the wall attached is the Rambhai tea stall. So from there only, like he provides the tea and Maggie and everything, both outside people outside IIM Ahmedabad and inside. So that window is there. Through that, everyone gets their stuff.
वेरी गुड. तो बंदा डबल पैसे छाप रहा है, अंदर को लोगों को भी एंटरटेन रख रहा है, बाहर के तो विंडो तो उसने बनाया. वो कुछ तो था, कोई तो गॉड को आशीर्वाद मिला था कि वो दिन में नहीं मरेगा और रात में नहीं मरेगा, डोर के अंदर नहीं मरेगा, डोर के बाहर नहीं मरेगा. There was some Hiranyakashipu or something. There was some. So he was given a vardhan that he'll not be killed inside the room and outside the room. So he was killed on the door. So yeah, and he was not be killed on the air, not. So he was killed on the lap of a person who killed him. I don't remember the name of the person. Nevertheless, I am Cal. So उनका जो fest होता था उसका नाम था Intaglio. I'm not sure it's still there. So and that time Kingfisher used to be really good, and they used to have like open beer in Kingfisher. That's like long back, but I'm not sure they do that anymore. That's lovely. And how about those times of confluence and conference? अभी तुम लोग क्या बोलते हो? The Brick Summit, right? The Red Brick Summit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you guys participate in that, or it's for the outsiders of the world to come and see?
No, it's for everyone. So even IIM Ahmedabad people would participate. Only the organizers would not participate. The event organizers. The rest of the community does participate. So there is a participation from all the B schools in Ahmedabad as well as over India. So yeah, there are speaker sessions. There are various activities which are planned around the business summit. So those happen in the Red Brick Summit.
No, in fact, Sachin Bansal was there. I was there for this Red Brick Summit. So
okay.
Sachin Bansal came in. That's lovely. Yeah. Let's talk about you. I mean, this is the real human of these schools. We've spoken about a lot about Ahmedabad. What's the real you? If I have to ask you, have you did an introspection, Ankita? What's the real you?
No, what I feel is like if I describe myself, I would describe myself as a friendly person, as a person who is very considerate towards others. So that is something like apart, like the studies won't come first. I would always describe myself as a friendly and a considerate person. So that is what I consider myself as a real.
Are you not competitive? Are you not? You're studying in Ahmedabad where people are like cutthroat and all these IIT CAs and NITs guys who like always wriggle through their life and work.
Yeah.
Your friendliness is still intact there, or you're like different there?
No, the friendliness is still intact, but you do have some limits. Like you can go only to a certain limit where you can be friendly, and then you have to also see yourself, like how to place yourself. So I do put a limit to that, like till where I can say. So if I make some notes, I do share it with people, but then that there is certain limit to where you can go. So yeah, that is still there.
That's so amazing, yeah. Any tips and tricks to all these people listening to you? You are a role model now, Ankita, and some of them are like aspiring to be at IIM Ahmedabad. You imagine, like when you are preparing for all these competitive exams and you met somebody from IIM Ahmedabad, you'll be like, oh man, I want to become like you. Any kind of behavioral skills or things these guys need to keep in mind before they are stepping into the IF culture?
The only skill which I have also like always aspired to have and still do aspire is to have enough confidence in myself, because sometimes when we don't have a confidence, the others would not be able to see that confidence, and they would it will go against you. So the first thing which I would like, even if there is a lot of engineers there, other non-engineers, you might feel that they are better than you, but still have confidence that you have if you have come this far, there is something in you which has which has brought you here. So have that confidence. So that is what I try to tell myself every time whenever I feel low, that if others are dominating me, so I feel like I have something because of which I'm here. So that is what I would like to say others as well.
That's so amazing, Ankita. Thank you so much for your time, Ankita. You were awesome on the Real Humans of B School, and I think you've spoken about
Thank you.
the reality. And thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.